At the edge of La Défense neighbourhood, bordered by the Seine and the Bois de Boulogne, it is here, in Neuilly-sur-Seine, that SEGER, an exceptional property developer, is building a new residence. In a green setting, the residence NEUILLY LA GRANDE stands out because of its impressive design. What makes the residence different is that we're building it in massive blocks of dressed stone. Today it is quite new. The choice of the stone was primarily driven by its qualitative aspect, since we are building in classical design reminiscent of the 30s. We wanted to recall an era where builders still knew how to build in dressed stone. It is a method that allows us to achieve a very high quality building and hint at the durability of the heritage. At Neuilly La Grande, the stone is not used only for the building shell. It is also used in its construction. Each block of stone has its place on the facade. It's not simply a question of a lorry delivering blocks of stone and then piling them one on top of another. A plan showing the layout of the blocks have been drawn up in accordance with structural studies. On the basis of this plan, a stone quarry is going to produce blocks that are cut and shaped block by block according to a plan. Each block of stone will arrive here at the work site numbered. They will then be assembled on site using a crane, of course, but there are also men putting the blocks in place, one on another, and assembling them before adding the final touches. When a block arrives at the work site after being quarried, the stone will have a knock aspect as it will be still waterlogged. It must be allowed to dry out fully before it can be worked. It is then cut by hand. The facade decoration, reset joint and the pediment cladding too are worked on site by stonemason specialized in dressed stone. I'm quite proud of working for a developer who appreciates quality like using dressed stone in buildings. It is not the material that is used very much, it is a high quality material which is very ecological. I've been doing this type of work for 35 years now, and I work as I did 35 years ago, with the same tools and using the same method. Once these blocks have been put in place and assembled, the finishing touches will be added. We have two colleagues who have started to work on the ground floor. They're preparing the stone for the placing of the woodwork and, quite simply, adding the finishing touches to the building.